In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Notion. Justifying text can enhance the visual appeal and readability of your documents, giving your pages a polished, professional appearance. While Notion doesn't provide a direct alignment feature akin to traditional word processors like Microsoft Word, there are effective ways to achieve a similar result that I'll lead you through. Let's start by opening Notion and navigating to the page where you want to justify the text. You might want to create a new page if you want to keep things tidy, or you can work directly on an existing page. Once you're on the desired page, it's useful to know that by default, Notion aligns text to the left. This is typical of many note-taking apps, but by using some clever formatting tricks, you can make your text appear fully justified. The key to achieving text justification in Notion involves adjusting the text block. Begin by clicking on the text block you want to edit. Now that you have the text block selected, make sure the text is evenly distributed across the page as much as possible. This might involve breaking down your text into more manageable chunks or sections. Adding or reducing the text within a block can help balance how it flows across the screen, and this can create the illusion of a fully justified text. Another effective approach to justifying text in Notion is to utilize column features, which will allow you to distribute text across columns evenly. You can do this by dragging a block to the right of an existing block until you see a vertical blue line. Dropping it here will split your text into columns, helping to even out its visual appearance on the page. It might not be traditional justification, but it's a practical workaround given Notion's capabilities. If precision is key and you want your text truly justified, an alternative method is to prepare your text in a dedicated word processor that supports full justification, such as Google Docs. You start by copying your desired text, then paste it into Google Docs or another editor that supports justification. Once you've properly aligned and justified your text in the word processor, you can then take a screenshot of the text. Now simply head back over to Notion and go to your page. You'll want to create a new image block or drag your screenshot into your existing page. While this approach results in an image rather than editable text within Notion, it allows your text to appear fully justified. While these methods are not perfect solutions, they serve as creative workarounds in Notion until, hopefully, more robust formatting options are introduced. Be sure to experiment with these techniques to find the one that best suits your needs. I hope this video has helped you understand how to justify text in Notion. Don't forget to leave your comments below for any questions or tips you have. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.